Hope you're having a great day. Welcome back to Progressive Incomes. Today's going to be a special video where I'm going to be teaching you exactly how to start dropshipping from eBay. I've made over $800 a week with this tactic, and the more you do it, the better you get and the more money you can be making. So before I start, for those of you who don't know what dropshipping is, it's basically when you buy a product from a cheap source. In this case, we'll be using Aliexpress. And then you ship it to a buyer. So you list the product on eBay or at your store, and once someone buys it, then you buy the product from your sourcer, so Aliexpress, and you ship it directly to them. So meaning you never see the product, but you still keep the profit. It's a great way to start dropshipping before you make your own website, and you can also earn quite a lot of money from this if you do it right. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first thing you're going to need is to make a eBay account. So you just have to sign up, put your email in, do some verifications, very simple stuff. And even if you're not in the US, that's completely fine. You can sign up. So quickly go do that. Okay, so now that you've done that and signed up to eBay, you want to head over to Aliexpress and you want to choose a winning product. So there are two methods of doing this. So the first method is you just simply scroll down here. So you just take a look through all these products and you think about what could be a winning product. So think about popular things right now, or think about, because of COVID, household items will be better because people have to stay indoors, that kind of thing. So like, for example, yeah, these sunglasses, right? You buy them for $9, but you can list them on eBay for, let's say, $22, and you keep the profit margin there. So you can take a look through all these categories. What I do recommend is when you do search something, you want to do it shipped from US. I'll show you this in a bit. So the second method is going on Ecomhunt. This is a great website to use as it shows a bunch of different products that are winning, and it lists a bunch of products that are doing well, and it shows everything about that product. And I put a link in the description down below where you can access this for free and see all these products. So I just chose this one for now. There's a lot more, however. If we scroll down, so you can see the profits and costs here, right? So it's showing you how much it costs to buy it, how much you sell it for, and how much you make money out of it, which is really good. Maybe for you guys, $19 doesn't sound like a lot, but then if you have 5 people buy it, you've almost already made $100, and it's very easy to get 5 buyers. And just real quick, the saturation inspector just shows how many stores are selling this product. So only 2 at the moment, which is good because you don't want to sell a product where so many stores are doing it. So now that you found your product, you want to head over to Aliexpress and look for your product. So I just searched here, campfire LED flame lantern. And what I was talking about earlier here, you want to do ship from, and then you pick United States. That way you don't have long shipping times when you pick products from Aliexpress. Oh yeah, another thing I want to mention about Aliexpress when finding products is most of the stuff on Aliexpress is actually high quality, despite being notorious for poor quality. The only things you mainly want to avoid is fake designer brands, shoes, and electronics. If you avoid those, then most of it should be good. So I just searched up this campfire LED flame lantern, and it's, yeah, there it is, just here. So you can see how much it costs. Sometimes it might be slightly more or less than what it says on Ecomhunt, just because the prices do keep changing depending on how many people buy it. But we're still going to make heaps of profit off this. So once you find this product, right, so you can see we found this product here. You want to make sure you press ships from United States here. And then all you have to do is you scroll down and you start saving these photos. So you save all these photos down here. If there's any photos that don't look good, obviously do not save them. Like, see, this one I wouldn't save. But yeah, so this one would be good. So let's go do that now. And after you've done that, you want to head over back to eBay. Okay, so once you guys have gone back to eBay, it should look like this on the selling page. This will say 0 though if you're just starting out. So you just want to press list an item. It'll come up with this. You just search it. I've already got this one here as an example, but I'll do it again. LED campfire lamp. And you want to pick one of these ones that fits nice. I'll just go this one. And after that, all you have to do is just fill in this information really quickly. I'll go through this one with you guys. So the title, leave it there. Avoid the subtitles and second categories because you don't really want to pay when you're just starting out. You want to keep it free. So category, it's nice, it's good. It create variations if you have different sizes or colors. UPC, you can always leave it. Condition, always press new. Photos, this is where you add your photo, obviously. Brand, you can do unbranded, and you want to check, so you go back here, scroll up from the Aliexpress product page, and you can see all the sizes, the color, the voltage, the materials, the life, all of this stuff. And all you want to do is just make sure you tick all of these. So you pick all of these things from what you see in here, make sure it's accurate. The description, what I like to do is you can just copy paste the description, but just if there's any broken English, just quickly fix it up, or if there's anything else you want to add, make sure it looks nice, but most of it you can just copy paste. And this, you want to make sure it's set on fixed price, not auction style. And in the buy now price, we go back to Ecomhunt here. We can see $29.95, so we do that. Quantity 1, that's good. All of that. Tax, sales tax, you don't need to add yet. However, you do need to obviously pay tax when people buy your products, but you fill out a tax form at one point. And this shipping, I like to go flat cost. And then this one, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom and press flat rate freight. And I usually like to do free shipping because more people click on my product. However, you can also add shipping here. Let's just do $5.99, which could be extra profit you can make, which is great. Handling time, you can see on the Aliexpress page once again. Check it and press the right one. You don't no international shipping, otherwise it'll cost a lot. And you don't need to add all of this, and just the item location, you want to select it to US, obviously. And that's it. And all you have to do is hit list item after that, and then that will be sorted, and you've already published your first product. Okay, so what do you have to do after this? Because eBay has organic traffic, that means you don't need to advertise your post or anything, and as long as you sell a winning product, people will look at it and eventually buy it. The only problem with eBay comes here. You have limited selling posts you can do, so you can only post a certain amount of items. However, there's an easy way to fix this, and I love this method so much. You just head over to Fiverr and find this one. This guy is really helpful. I put a link in the description to his Fiverr as well, so you can get the really good one. So basically, you just pay $7.30, and he says here, I'll call eBay and help you increase your selling limits maximum. And he does 1-day delivery. It's very useful. And the best part is that you don't pay until he's done it, meaning that you won't get scammed out of this. And yeah, so after that, you can list a lot more products and start making more money out of it. So that's the basic gist of it. I know it was a little bit of a rushed video, but I didn't want to carry it out too long. If you guys have any questions, please just let me know in the comments, and I'll be trying to answer as many of you as I can. Thank you so much for watching once again. This has been Progressive Income. Please like and subscribe if you like the content and for more money tips. And if you need any help once again, please feel free to get in touch with me.